Welcome to the Newage. This is Datwan. This is
LJ's view, like father, like
son. Let's get straight into it. The stock market is getting a little spooky again. It is past October, so we thought we could just have a nice Thanksgiving, but that's yet to be determined. Our last video just was talking about Warren Buffett hoarding cash and the stock market being at all-time highs. And yet we get a inflation report that comes out today that says we're 6.2% over inflation rates, and these are the highest inflation rates since 1990 in 31 years. What's your thoughts?
I feel like the bubble has gotten so big that it's about to burst.
And again,
and it's going to be a mess all over the place. That's actually what I really feel is happening. When the hits the fan, I don't know how Christmas is going to look for a lot of families.
And that's a good point. I'm going to read this tweet. It's an opinion-based tweet, so it's subjective. But listen to this tweet. It's from Alex Becker on Twitter. Inflation is much more than 6%, probably 20 to 40%. Biden plans to pass even more hyper-aggressive spending of money he doesn't have. The middle class and lower class are about to watch 75% of their net worth evaporate. This is the importance of preparing for things like this, and this was the importance of yesterday's video. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, you may want to watch that first, or watch it after this video. But this is the warning signs that's coming to us month over month, week over week, day over day. The stock market will not continue to go up all the time. And I think the stock market is at a ceiling that, yes, it can keep going up, but how likely is it to keep going up?
With so many factors that's in play and components that tends to lead like the seesaw or the balance beam may be tipping the other way.
Right. So we just talked about Zillow in yesterday's video as well, losing $381 million in a quarter is because they was over leveraged. And once they was over leveraged, boom, they lose $381 million. Their bubble pop. So what happens if something comes out of nowhere, a black swan event, and the stock market, securities, equities market bubble pop? Well, we're already starting to see things like that. We got the Evergrande crisis happening as we speak. They are the second largest real estate developer in China, and they have officially defaulted on their bonds. Today. They cannot pay back their debt. Again, these are warning signs. These are things that trigger market crashes. And whether it's the stock market, whether it's the real estate market, it's all one Jenga building until the Jenga building is no longer a building at all.
So we got inflation at all-time high. We got the biggest developer in China defaulting on debt. We got one of the smartest investors of all time going cash heavy. All the signs and indicators are in place to prepare us that doomsday might be here or right around the corner.
Right.
The good news is that there's still money to be made. In 2008, when the market crashed, it was a lot of people who were hurt, but it was some investors that made money even though the stock market was tanking. So we would encourage you to look at strategic positions, and even Datwan, one of his strategies is to become cash heavy, similar to Warren Buffett, right?
Right. And
why is that?
You know, someone just commented on the video yesterday on the YouTube channel, the Warren Buffett one, and he was like, why would you go cash heavy if inflation is going to decrease your cash value? value. And what I said to him in the comments, you can go check it out. What I said to him is, what if you can use all that cash that you got to buy stocks
at a discounted price
at lows, and then reap the rewards when it gains its momentum and come back to highs? You can potentially outpace inflation. Think about that.
And we got to remember that I said yesterday, what goes up must come down. Also, even though the market crashes, it always finds its way back up. And it's cyclatory. So we just want everybody to be aware and forewarned of the temperature and climate that we're facing in these money markets.
Exactly. We got the debt ceiling crisis still at hand. Like I said, December 3rd, they're having a meeting to see if they will raise the debt ceiling. Again, the temperature always changes. The stock market opens pretty much every day. Crypto market is open 24/7.
Hedge your bets, people.
The temperature and the climates are changing day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, second by second. Beware. We're in, we're out, we're out, we're in. Welcome to the New Age. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.